Johnny Prime's in here, holy smokes. Okay, greet everyone with good mornings. Good morning, everyone. Uh-oh. There's an admin in the audience. No, one day. When Lucid comes back. Alright, let's get down to business. Pre-market analysis. Honestly, I think market might just spool higher whole day today until 4 standard deviation is ran, which is kind of our target. So I'm first going to use this deviation target, and then we're going to hop on the 4 hour, and we're going to go with this one down here on the 4 hour, or on the hourly. Oh, this one. So it's already been ran. Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, so this is what M4's thing is. The second standard deviation. Fourth standard deviation. I need to take antihistamines. This sucks right now. I think I might have had to do something else, but I completely forgot about it. So we're just gonna ignore it. I don't really like blindly entering off of standard deviation. If this is M4's level, I don't really mind. Not my trade. This is M4's. I might entry trigger off of it, but I don't know. So on days like today, I prefer going with the macro model. So let's see if 8:45 had any significance today. 5 minute? Nothing actually. 3 minute. Wow. This is dry. Honestly, this isn't good. I mean, we didn't even fully rebalance the internal range. Oh no, we did. Okay. Macro model's still putting in work. So, bang. Boom, lower. Inversion right here. Long off the inversion. Hold till. Dang, I should have taken this. That sucks. Ah, I missed it. It's fine though. Really clean trade right here. I had a dream ICT was talking about the 945 macro, so. Let's stop on this one. Wait, hold up, there might be someone in my voice chat. I think Trey might be here or Sam. Yes, I'll make it public eventually. Yo, what's up, Trey?
What up?
What's up?
Are you locked in today?
Trying to be, bro. My weird BS hospitalization is affecting me greatly. Oh my goodness, this is what I screwed myself over on. This is my only break even of the day. I was on the wrong side.
Are you on a Express account right now?
Yeah. Sim funded my phone feature.
Nice. Wait, who do you use?
Hmm?
Who do you use? Which funded?
My funded futures.
Oh, okay.
Dang, okay, I might be bearish. %70 chance of this happening. 70% chance of us running these equal lows, which would be, I think we honestly will. We full port shorts. Five-minute swing divergence at the highs. Okay. Honestly, trying to inverse this down to 0.5 of the range wouldn't be a bad short. Ooh. I might shoot it. Let's see here. 931st presented gap. I'll go off of a 15-second Civia if we close under the 931st presented. Target the equal lows. London equal lows. Get my quick trade in for the day and be done. If not, if I end up taking a loss, I might size 50% down, find another trade. This should be good. If we hold above 931st presented, I will probably not do anything.
Do you like that first presented fair value app shit?
I love it.
I haven't used it yet, but I've seen people on TikTok posting about it.
I want to see us hold below it. I'd be happy with that. Shoot. If I don't get a fill, it's whatever. Ooh, yeah, I like it. I'm gonna take it. I can't deal with regret after yesterday. I'd rather take a loss than feel regret. Honestly.
Is your limit what, like the CE when it closes below?
No, it's just the gap itself.
Oh, okay.
I don't like to see YM continuously run higher, but I like to see us accumulate here. This is stressful, just because my throat is still screwing me over. One, closure above, still no. Yeah, I mean, I'm trading outside of macro currently just because I like my discretion I have. I'm mainly just trading discretionarily right now, based on like what a confident market is going to do. The macro model is kind of like an entry, like it's like a beginner to profitable trader. It's like a silver bullet, basically. It's a model that I can always fall back on and rely on for winning days. I kind of use it as a way to get winning days for my payouts. I just rely on the macro model because I trade the levels to get like high risk reward, size heavier, max size, get like a lot of money in one day, like a 1.5k winning day or 2k winning day. After I hit that and there's like no other good levels, I just straight up macro model all the way until my winning days. If we just want to run higher, I won't fight the trend.
Have you taken a couple payouts on this account already?
No, this is actually a fresh account that I just got.
Nice.
My other accounts, like, yeah, I have.
There you go.
Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking what I see. The second strat, it's kind of in the WAP right now, the levels and stuff. The first one I dropped is inside of the WAP. The first breakdown, we're gonna have another one coming up.
Satisfy your sweet tooth this Halloween with the chocolatey, caramely, peanutty goodness of Snickers pumpkins. It's never too early to trick.
No, 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 don't do this to me. Holy smokes. I didn't even do anything and I got filled. Jeez. What did I press?
I think it was a buy too.
Yeah, it was a buy.
Yeah, you made 35 bucks. You paid for your fees on the day.
I made $60. Wow.
Oh, okay, that's actually crazy.
That's bull, honestly. That's not a real execution. Holy smokes. I'm not counting that.
It's amazing.
I literally just tried to. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, accumulation sucks, honestly. I like to see us grinding higher. Please let me breathe.
Bro, Mantas, I've been trading what's it called? I still trade some wick theory for like entries, but I've been trading standard deviation recently.
Yeah.
Bro, low key, I've been frying myself because like my
What's wrong with standard deviation?
it's just like too scared. Like I'm like too scared to like actually like take a trade I have on a level of standard deviation.
Oh, I know what you mean. We might honestly shoot lower from this level, because if this axis change in state, we're just gonna fall, and that's kind of like worst case scenario. And if we do fall below it, I mean, it's looking pretty good for falling.
Holy choppy though.
Yeah, I'm really nervous, honestly. Good morning. Hey. The only reason why I'm nervous is because of my health. I might end up going to the hospital after this.
What happened?
Bro, Philippines. I think it like wreaked havoc on my immune system. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's insane.
Like, everything I'm having like a severe reaction towards. I want to take antihistamine and just sleep it off, honestly. My papa Benadryl.
When did you get back?
I got back like a week ago at this point, and it's still happening. At least it's not
Damn.
bad enough where I have to get hospitalized daily, but if I go back to the hospital, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving until they fix me.
Did you already go before?
Yeah, I did. Gave me EpiPen, like 3 different. They gave me so much meds. I was out of it. Oh
Okay,
yeah,
wait.
bro was almost cooked. How much in payouts have you got? I'm gonna be completely honest. In the course of 3 years of me trading, I think I've racked up like 70K in payouts over 3 years, which that's horrible. You could make more being a teacher, or you can make more having a like full-time job at McDonald's. So not really the best, but I mean it's not nothing. All right, we
There
got
you
a
go.
closure below. Opening range low is where I'm probably going to end up slapping myself break even. If I take a loss on this, I'm going to size down, make back the loss with the macro model, and then full port on another setup. Oh gosh darn it, I think we missed it. 9-8. No! Oh wait, no, we'll get a retrace. I can see it. Right, let's go. Reach back up into the 930 first presented without stopping me out, and then we ball out. Immediate rebalance would be ideal here. I think ICT, if he was shorting, he'd try to short after we rebalance this wick right here. Not really off the top of the 931st presented or market shorted. I really think price wants that low resistance liquidity here though. $70K, 70,000. You could see these wicks here. These are undisturbed low. Low, 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 low. All these lows are kind of like equal lows that are undisturbed. There's liquidity resting beneath these lows. Alright. Fill me without stopping me out. That's what I need. Alright, little Sibi right here. And I'm going to turn off executions because I don't like this mistake here. And I'll turn it back on if we hit take profit. Okay, 15 seconds Sibi. I want to see us retest the high prob IFEG. At the very least, I want to see us come off of it and run out this low, and then I can go break even. And whatever happens past break even, I'm carefree about. Alright, we're entering macro, so just be prepared. Is there news today?
No, not till later.
Okay, I think we're chilling. Weekly,
Actually, Trump speaks at
shoot.
what is it? 11:15 New York time.
Okay, not bad. We rebalance it, so I think ICT would be short. Speaking from like his perspective, I still want to wait for 930 first presented. But if ICT short works out, that's fine. And I'm just assuming it's going to be ICT short because like I've seen him trade like this so many times that take trades off immediate rebalances like this. Oh shoot, we're pumping on YM. We have SMT at the highs right now with ES, so tapping it right now would literally be ideal. Otherwise, I mean, it's a good bet for me, honestly. I like it. No! If we run break even, I'm going to close the limit, and then I'm not going to do anything. Because we're probably going to run lower off of this Sibi right here. But yeah. So
Okay,
like,
Mantis, I gotta get going. I'll
okay,
be
bro, take it
watching,
easy.
but I'm gonna be at school.
All right,
I'll
sounds
see you
good.
later.
Dang, school.
Good luck, guys. Yeah,
We
bro.
missed it. We missed it. Gosh darn it. I could have just pushed for it, honestly, and I wouldn't have minded. But it's okay. All right, that's our
Yeah,
break even.
see you
I
guys
can't
later.
really take it. I'll
Hey,
see
good
you.
luck, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you later. No. It's fine. But yeah, based on what I've seen ICT do, closure below this, we rebalance or come into the civvy, market order shorts it, and just holds to this drawn liquidity down here. So we've missed it. But I don't really mind. It's fine. The macro model will probably save us. So we'll see. Or if we have SMT at the lows, which we probably do, I'm going to fade. I'm probably going to fade it, honestly. I like the SMT at the lows. Pop up an inversion play right here to force standard deviation of the range. Fighting against the 931st presented, we're going to have to look for some different strength here. But I like the SMT we have at the low, and I like to trade in direction of wherever trades is running. 70 points. That might be good. Honestly, if we hold for high of day and we get ballsy, we can actually ball out. So I think I'm going to shoot for this instead. Oh, right here. Stop loss is going to go right here. Because we don't really have much else to go for. If we leave the low resistance liquidity intact while also rebalancing this low right here, coming to 0.5, and we go higher, I think that'll be clean, honestly, in my eyes. If YM is pumping, I'm thinking NQ is going to fall through. Since we aren't running lower, I don't think we're bearish anymore. I'm going to bomb out these... I'm going to bomb out these longs, honestly. No fear or hesitation because of the BS that happened yesterday. Saying the first client is the hardest thing to do, but you're close. Not continue. So close to not continue. What, you're gonna... It's been like a week, Kappa. What? It took me like... You know, it took me 2 months to get a client that ditched me and didn't even end up paying. You gotta keep pushing forward. It's the only way. 3, 2, 1, давай. Alright, we're good. The nuclear bomb has been set. We're not gonna target 1.5k. We're gonna target... I think a healthy 1.3k or 1.1k would do it for me. Internal standard deviation. We'll just target second standard deviation. Low hanging fruit, be done for the day. Sound good? I think that sounds good. Alright, bang, we're in. Let's turn executions on. We're gonna get fancy. Alright, now send us to the highs. Bye-bye. This is not good, but we're not gonna get shaken out by fear. We're gonna hold. And I gotta play some inspirational music for this, so I gotta pop off of Spotify. No, it's unfunded. It's not looking good, honestly. I don't like seeing us close inside of it, but we're not gonna be fearful. We're gonna stick with the idea, ride it to death. And then if I take a loss and there's a better setup, at like 1050,
I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long.
What I like to see, another thing I would like from this is this. You see how we're running higher and pumping on YM and PS? It's a really good sign for us. The failure to do so on MQ is kind of bad, since we're also running into the open range gap. We have a 70% chance of filling this, so there's a 30% chance that this price or this trade is going to run up higher. We're kind of going against that, but 950 macro open. Let's go. Bang. Yeah. It's so tiny. Break even has to be at this high.
Unchained, we're all looking at a different picture through this new frame of mind.
Also, this is a high probability inversion right here. If we close above this, I'm going to be so happy. This trade is probably going to play out. Alright, I got that. Check this out.
Give us some room, yeah. Give me a reason to love you.
What else would be good? This one, this song right here. This book.
To tell you the truth, I'm worried that future only. Because of the position.
I got it, Ahmed. Music is down. Alright, HP IFEG, let's go. Yeah, 931st presented too? Holy smokes. We're up 300. Let's go. Alright, get us to break even, please. Пожалуйста, братан. Alright, bang. Now I want to see us just shoot up. I want to see us go to generational highs off of this. Macro, 950 macro. Okay, we haven't manipulated higher. At the very least, I can anticipate macro manipulation to send us through the high. 934. Oh, HPI FEG got tapped. This is so beautiful. Let's see the 5 minute. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful this looks. I'm from Vladivostok, Russia. And half Philippines. Yeah, let's go. How do you use standard deviation? I just throw it on the manipulation leg and hope for the best, usually. I want to see higher off this candle. You're ready to go break even. I want to see this act as a breakaway gap. Do not revisit this gap. This gap should not be coming back into. Alright, I'm gonna go break even. Kind of prematurely. I don't want to see the SIBI get ran back into because it's a breakaway gap. And this is a roadblock. The 931st presented gap is actually a roadblock. So go break even. We should not come back down below. If we close back down below this, the trade is gonna die and we've been baited out. And it's just gonna accumulate for the rest of the session. And we do not want to deal with accumulation. This right here, this would protect us. And this has to protect us. The 931st presented gap. It was a 2024 lecture. ICT was talking about if you're in shorts and we close above the 931st presented gap, go break even. It is a roadblock. Price should not go back down below it. And if it goes back down below it, the trade is dead. I'm sticking to my rules, Kappa. This is literally in black sheet. I teach this. Roadblocks. Breathe though. Oh yeah, look at this. No. You can retest this, but I don't want to see any lower. I like to see the bodies are holding above it. It's so good. I love to see that. And how much would we be up if I just closed early? A measly 400. No, it's 500. How much is that? 25. So it's 500. Around like $520. We don't want a measly 520. We want $1,000 on the day. I'm geeking out right now because I need to be active. Otherwise, my throat just. 30 clean, US 30 clean with levels. Yeah, I'm seeing it. US 30 is kind of selling off. So if we're gonna fail, this is actually best break even. I'm not worried about a break even here. ES is selling off. Gosh darn it. I think this trade might fail. Doesn't mean I'm gonna get scared out of it though. Maybe 10 AM open can actually offer us some volatility. That would be best case scenario. Yeah, up is the only way to go. Yeah. I still don't want to go. I mean, we're fighting the opening range EQ, which is like a 70% draw on liquidity. So that's kind of my only concern, but we're above the 931st presented, so we have a roadblock saving us. It's just accumulating. Oh shoot! Wine might run higher. Don't do it. No. I think I'm gonna get busted break even. I'm break even. Anyone else is still in longs, you guys are gonna get fried if we close below this 931st presented. I think you guys are done for. Oh yeah. Copper break even. What's next? I can't think. We're gonna wait. 241119. Hey Sam, you wanna hop up here? Look at that. Holy smoke. Dang, okay. Bro, we are bearish. We are bearish. Nah, into BOS bearish. You're good, bro. PXL, this could be a potential short right here. Dang, look at that. Not bad though. We're still not done. There's no such thing as overtrading. Honestly, should I short this? Well, I don't want to. I mean, 70% opening range EQ. Honestly, I kind of like it, but I think it's a little bit too late, and I didn't have enough thought into it. This is not a bad setup. 950. Let's see where the macro open is. I think I did the same BS I did yesterday, but I don't think I'm gonna force shorts off of this after getting stopped out of long. But this was a really good short right here. I could have flipped short. I didn't. I don't know if I actually would have if I wasn't here. Maybe. I'm not sure. No. The good shorts left us again. Yeah, 241119. Yeah, it's good. I won't tweak out as bad as I did yesterday about this one because this is actually kind of a rushed level. This is absolutely valid to short off of down to our drawn liquidity as we know. But I don't really care about it. We won't get emotional. We're gonna wait for a better entry. Yeah, good morning, Carl. Good morning, everyone. I had to keep moving around. Drinking my water. ICT concept saved me. Oh yeah, key times, let's see. Uh-oh, look at that. Bang! We flip longs again. We won't short this, we're gonna wait. Oh, I can't really see much if I'm being honest. Whoa. Oh, cool. Jack, bro, what's up? Dang, okay. He's long. I don't really want to long. I want to long off this inversion, honestly, because it aligns with 931st nicely. I might honestly take a continuation long right here. Push for it. Because we kind of swept into a key time, so that's good enough for me. I'm gonna go break even right now. Alright, good, perfect. This is the macro open. We've done damage below macro open, only engineer liquidity up here. I would want to see a BPR here, but I mean, if it doesn't happen, it's fine. The whole range below us is unbalanced. If we have a higher time frame change in stability, I'm gonna like this 15-minute change in state can honestly be detrimental towards us, so we'll see if we close below. If we close below this, I'm going to anticipate this gap to get inverse the next 15-minute candle to retrace and just shoot lower, and we're going to be looking for shorts. If we don't, then we're good to go. Yeah, 10 a.m. right now. I'm watching for this 15-minute closure. It'll help me determine what we want to do. We still haven't ran the 24-119, so both ways I can trade it. $30 seconds. Okay. Oh yeah, Motorcycle Tuesday. I'm very excited. I have all the money for it now. My Philippines payouts actually paid it off well. So, bang! Okay, we're gonna be looking for shorts. Perfect. I'm not gonna short this, but this is gonna be looking for shorts for me. We have tasty shorts coming up. But here, opening range, EQ of the range. Draw on liquidity. These equal London lows, pretty good. Initial shorts off 931st presented. I think if we held the original limit, we would be fine right here. If we tried to, or if we held the original idea of 931st presented shorts, I might have honestly closed it early simply because of the, what was it? Simply because of a closure above 931st presented gap. But at least my analysis is still somewhat accurate in bad conditions. I'm bearish though. Happily bearish. Continuation shorts would have came off of this, but we aren't looking for longs anymore. We're looking for nuclear shorts. Let's see this. So this is guaranteed gonna get ran out right here. That's a fact. And this is our guaranteed draw on liquidity. Same thing with opening range EQ. 70% chance of us running this out in a day, which that's ICT sauce. I'm not gonna go short just because I see this. I probably FEG. If we do want to manipulate through this low at the very least and then go higher, I can handle that and look for a long off of a BPR because we're inside of macro currently. We're also inside of second standard deviation. Oh no, our level's inside of second standard deviation. Let me pop up the secret standard deviation to show you. It aligns with 2.25 standard deviation. So, I think we're honestly chilling. If we run out this low and decide to reverse, I'll be looking for longs again to follow through with YM and NQ. Because we still have SMT at the lows right now, currently. And if we have SMT at these equal lows, I will be looking for... Also, does anyone have an extra CFD account? Or is anyone 18 with a CFD account? I need an account. You will get paid. Nice flow shorts. Perfect. No one gets cooked. Target London low. I don't really want to see down to London low. I'm being honest. I gotta find a better level. Higher probability level. My DMs are flooded. You chop, buddy. Stressing day. Not really a stressing day. It's more of an easy day. I'm just very energetic. I gotta stay moving and uppity, otherwise my thing's cooking. Use my affiliate code if you guys are buying fundeds, by the way. It's called Mantas on like all firms. I need motorcycle money. Please. Or join Black Sheep, either one. Today, good day. Honestly, yeah, I can see price acting really clean. Oh my goodness, iconic. Very nice. I don't think we're gonna get a run back into the civvy, but we're still inside of macro. What macro is doing, engineering liquidity at opening range high, since this is opening range high. I want to see the exact same thing as yesterday happen. If we're gonna go crazy, we're gonna long off this low. Because it's that standard deviation alignment, and then we just target this high. So we're going to be going off like an entry. I'm not taking this, but we're going to go off like an entry trigger method after running into this. Maybe like a CISD, if we have SMT. We're starting to run higher again, so it's looking really good. And I think we're going to keep, yeah, I think we're going to have these lows stay intact. So we tapped opening range gap EQ. The 70% chance of running it is cleared. We're good to honestly start looking for longs. I don't know if I want to look for CISD just because of we don't really have clean SMT at the internal lows. From what I can see, we have it with I forgot the YM, but I'm not sure. I still want to see us engineer like this. I mean, you could see what I want to see with this line. Yeah, we're balling out. We're all gonna go on a generational run. Okay, if we tap this and we go lower, I might try to long off of this and try catching a bottom tick. But that's really crazy in my opinion if I try. And I don't really want to do it. I'm not comfortable doing that on lives. I wouldn't really be comfortable doing it even if I wasn't on live, honestly. But if it all plays out exactly like this, I'm just going to hope that the line plays out and we go for it. Otherwise, I might just long off the closure above this right here. Just because of the SMT we have at the low and YM and NQ or YM and ES is running higher. So I might prep to long this. A little oh, no closure above. Alright, we're still going to go in line with this then. This little theory down here. Something like this might be best for us. Is that an hourly? Oops. Yeah, this is an hourly gap. If we can leave that gap open, come here. You already know what I'm looking for. High prob IFVG. I'm gonna release a video on YouTube explaining high probability IFVGs, the logic behind it, identifying them, some other stuff. Last time I did like predictions accurately like this, I just longed straight off the line because I thought it was gonna work out, and it did. But we're gonna be patient. We're not gonna do this. We'll take the second entry. Maybe. Or we can do this. And I cancel it last second. And if I get filled, it's supposed to happen. So if it shoots down and fills me right now, I'll get filled. If it doesn't, like right now, if it tries to fill me right now, I'll cancel the order and I won't do it. But if it does, then I'll do it. Or I could just do it and just, if I take a loss, we look so good if I'm being honest. But I want to cancel it last second because there's not really much logic behind this. I'd rather have logical levels. We're just engineering liquidity, second standard deviation, 2/5 right here. I'll cancel it. I'll long off of this for a safer entry. Just, it's gonna skew our risk to reward heavily. But I have more confidence in this than I do with this. Yeah, I do. Second standard deviation, opening range gap EQ. This could have been our alignment. I'm just engineering more liquidity. Higher time frame says we're just straight up accumulating, but I want to see that gap get rebalanced, and at the very least we can get an entry and hold until EQ of the range, which is more than likely going to rebalance up here. And this is looking really suspicious to me because this hasn't been rebalanced in the 5 minute. This low right here, I don't really like seeing that. Sometimes we have that low and we actually run up into it. So this has to be my break-even point. Because if price wants to continue lower, that's what's going to happen. But let's see this low get ran out first. The original long entry. I kind of want someone else to take it though. And I want them to take the either win or loss for me. Actually, no, don't take it. 5 minute, does that mean bearish? No, honestly, we can honestly inverse these gaps. Let's take a look at the economic news. Let's hope Trump can actually step in and say something nuts that'll make us pump. kind of accumulating right now. We're outside of macro, but we formed the high probability inversion. It was utilized inside of macro, so this still counts as an HP. Alright, let's see this. Let's see this long hit. Ooh. Okay, bottom ticket, please. Okay. Cap. Let's hope we're not gonna... Let's hope we get stopped out here so I don't have any regret on not taking it. Yeah, it's probably gonna stop out. I'm watching YM sell off right now. We'll stick with the good idea. Oh yeah, it's done for. YM is dumping. I think we're gonna go lower. Also, Jack, I think your take profit's gonna get ran through. I think it should. Oh wait, no, we just added S&T at the low. Huh. These 1 minute confluences, you can't get caught up on them. You gotta watch the higher time frame. It's something I'm messing up with right now. Oh yeah. We're gonna sit back. 1 second. Yeah, quick one, that's good. Bro, do whatever you need. Don't let me convince you to take trades. You just gotta execute on it, regardless of what I'm saying. Shorts. I really want to see a reversal though. Higher. I'm holding out for that theory. I think this would have... I mean, it probably would have edged me from getting stopped out if I would have taken those longs, but it doesn't really bother me. I want to use, like, an otherworldly sense of seeing into the future to catch trades. I have a feeling we're gonna pump though. Why longs though? We spent so much yesterday, bearish though. Okay, so the only reason why I don't really like fighting the trend, I'm not really anticipating a rebalance of the overall range. We can come back into this inefficiency and see it. As I said though, I want to be bearish because of this 15-minute, I'd say, change in state of delivery right here. But another thing that I see is on the... what was it called? 10 a.m. open has a devil's mark. We are running lower, so I'm assuming that this is just going to be manipulation to get us back above the 10 a.m. for the devil's mark. I don't really like fighting the trend, especially on a Wednesday. It's more of an expansion day. For a higher confirmation, I'd want to see, at the very least, I want to see us run back up into 10 a.m. open. Otherwise, I'm considering everything we're seeing right now to be manipulation right here, because it's below the 10 a.m. open. It's macro manipulation. We have a macro high probability inversion. A lot of the confluences and stuff I used to trade is stacked for telling me longs right now. Second standard deviation, opening range EQ has been ran, a lot of stuff honestly. Where typically we would be able to bottom tick like this, but I'm not really confident in it right now. So talking about, let's go to break even. Honestly, go break even. It probably saved you. I'm confident that this theory is gonna work out. Whatever I wrote, whatever I put down here. So we could long off of this inversion right here. Honestly, I might go for it because I like seeing what we did there. I might shoot for it, but I don't like. Let's go for it. Pop it. We got the manipulation I wanted. I think I honestly... No, we didn't. Okay, we'll see what happens. Best case scenario, we leave a gap open here, and we actually ball out if we have a gap right here. If we don't, then I'm probably going to get stopped out, like, right now. I really like the closure above this 1 minute gap. Still a macro inversion as well, so I trust it. I want to see it hold this higher. The only problem is volatility might take me out. That's not a good sign, honestly. I don't like seeing closure inside of it. I mean, the bodies can hold it, but I don't like seeing this. But then again, it's just 1 minute confluences. Might have been a rushed entry. We'll see. Low hanging fruit target would be the 10 a.m. open. So we'll go off of this. See how our S&Ps are performing. Just accumulating. I can see us. Well, I mean, I think I'm gonna get stopped and it'll end up running higher. I want to increase my stop, but I don't want to destroy my risk management. So I'll just chill out and let it do its thing. We're gonna manage when we tap into this high probability inversion. Unless we straight up just pump. Oh my goodness, I'll be so happy. But if we have full take profit for opening range high, that's 1.4k. Honestly, 1.4k is motorcycle money, so I might just do it. Send it. Manage, go break even. Maybe take partials at 10 a.m. honestly, but I don't know. Honestly, okay, down close candle support price to go higher. That's the theory I'm using right now for conviction. Yeah, I'm definitely targeting this. We're gonna manage when we get to this high probability inversion. Trust that this line, what I drew out, is the future of price. I don't want to see I really want to see us close above this candle. It seems like it's just 1 minute nonsense, but just trust. I want to close it, honestly. I might close early because why I'm selling off. Okay. As long as we respect it, just manage a little bit lower, then we go for it. Because YM is dumping right now. I hate seeing that for my trade. I'd want to see bullish momentum on these pairs. So I'm thinking we might just accumulate up higher towards the 10 a.m. open, and then when we tap 10 a.m. open, we might just dump off. Longs for our IFEG alignment 1 hour OTE. You got it? 973. Honestly, I might shoot break even right now and close the trade early. Then I could trust my own ideas. It's kind of getting in the way. No, it's coming, 973. Oh yeah, right here, 973. 1 hour gap fill. OT gap fill. Yeah, I know. The special gap fill. Honestly, I might go for that and go with Sam's idea. We close. Oops, I missed the close button. No, YM's running up higher. I'm having a small battle. I think I'll manage to the low of the gap right here. And then just let price do what it needs to do. It's coming. Can I hear him? Target the line lower 1 to 2. You're taking 973. 937. Okay. I guess I'll close in profit. Trust my idea or not? I'll go with Sam's idea, honestly. Let's make it fun. Let's have a fun session. Okay, we made $15. We're $81 up on the day. If this runs higher, Sam, I'm gonna I don't know, actually. What would you say? I mean, yeah, I think that's what we're looking for. If this runs up and closes above this high probability, I'm gonna take it. But I'm hoping Sam saved me, honestly. Because if he didn't, I'm gonna, I have no idea, curse him. But we're fine. Yeah, can't save any. Really, I'm just messing around. I wouldn't be mad. There's always going to be more setups. You wanna hop up now? Sam, you screwed me. Yeah. Okay, not real quick. Yeah, macro HPI FVG, I'll take that. This better sell off, honestly. I like the alignment. I see what you mean. I like the alignment. I see the alignment. So I can see it working out. Really good alignment. I'm gonna entry trigger, maybe a rejection block on it. Send it. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Sam. I closed because me and Sam, we have a special level in mind. This is gonna be a bottom tier level. Like this level is gonna feed families, honestly. I gotta talk more about my strat soon though. Like how I like the payout strat, which is using levels to catch these major windfall days, like lowest reward, high size, big trades, hitting those for like 1.7 or 2K wins, and then using the macro model like this, and just securing $200, $200, $200, bang, 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 200 all the way through. But if it actually closes above this, I have to go long again, but I don't really want to do that. So we'll say my proper stop would be below this gap right here. And look at this. Look at YM. What does this tell you about price right now? The correlated asset. We have internal SMT at the low, so usually I'd be really confident seeing this, but I want to see this SMT fail. So let's kill what my trade would have been. Also, Sam, he made 18K in 1 week on his funded accounts. Paid out. Not just P&L, but actually paid out 18K. So he knows what he's talking about. What was it called? He was doing signals in the Philippines. I wasn't even trading. He was giving me signals. I made like 5K from his signals. And then he literally just said levels. I woke up in the Philippines. He gave me a level, or he had a level in his preem, and I just sent that level. Just straight up, went for it, left it, and then I come back, I'm up 2K. The best feeling ever. So I'm gonna trust what he says, especially because we're accumulating heavy. I always want speed, which is why I like the macros. But I gotta write about that. I'm gonna drop that in the preem. What the strat is. Oh, see? Bang. We would have survived. That's why I closed Raymond. But yeah, everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'm really happy right now because my symptoms have disappeared. I'm not really tweaking out anymore. Okay. When we full porting, honestly, I might full port an entry trigger off of this. Not this. Okay, look. Sam, I think Sam's going to enter this on all of his expert accounts. I'm not. I'm going to actually wait. But this is pretty sure Sam's long. Run out this low with SMT. We ball out. Otherwise, 1050 macro, we're going to have to hit it there. Past 1050, I kind of get off. Alright, let's see this. Sam's level, literally in work. This is the stuff that he uses. You have to see this. Because if this plays out, I mean, you're going to see some generational trade. If it fails, then it's whatever. I'm not going to take it off the level because I'm worried about level trading today. I only really trade levels I personally find. Alright, I think this would have been fill. Yeah, it's fill. How big is your stop, Sam? Dang, Leon. Sam, how big is your stop? Uh-oh. It's getting ran through. GG stop, Samu. It was a dead. Are you sure? I don't think it, usually I don't really consider the trades to be dead until we like fully gap fill and we entry trigger. Usually we get better reaction, but it's not dead yet. I've seen you hold for worse, like more dead trades, honestly. TP, nice job, Ahmed. Entry trigger. I gotta wait for a good entry trigger, honestly. Something like, I don't know actually, I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm not gonna take this. Maybe with a macro. 15-second CSD? Wait, hold up. Are you sure you can't join stream? I'll let you stream. Oh shoot. Oh, you're still at the tail. Oh, good. I want to see Sam's P&L and stuff while he trades, but we'll wait. Worst case scenario, if we literally can't find another opportunity, I make $81 today. I think the level's dead. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I think it will, bro. Honestly, I think it will. Is that 4 standard deviation aligning with it perfectly? Look at this. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was. I assumed it did, but it didn't. It's in proximity, but not really clean. Gap fill, you're going for gap fill, 4 hour. It's through the gap fill. We kind of inversed it on the 1 minute. I actually don't have any levels, if I'm being honest. With the idea hit 70% of the time. Yeah, exactly. I get that. You're going after the rebalance of CPI's expansion. I fully understand. Alright, let's clean up the charts. Clear out our thought process. And do like a little reset. Get rid of our, yeah. It was opening range gap EQ that was 70% of the time as well, but yeah. And what was it called? The other one, during 11:30, there's a 70% chance of 10 a.m. low or 10 a.m. open getting ran as well. So if we're gonna go with the idea of being bearish, this is the standard deviation that we're gonna be using. 2.25 aligns with, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be, settlement 315. Sam, this might be our level. Then 1/5 aligns with this little cluster down here, but I don't really like 1/5. 30-minute, or I'm gonna look for imbalanced order block in this range, aligning with this and 5-minute. Right here, look at this. This might be the sauce right here. But I don't like fighting the trend. We're gonna find a 1050. 1050. We're gonna look for a retrace short. If I had to speedrun a level for fun, this isn't a real level that I'm actually gonna take or anything. If I was speedrunning a level and I just had to take something, it'd be off of this long. But we're so close to midnight open, I would probably never hit this. Let's get off 1 minute order block. Are you still pushing for longs? I think longs is left behind, honestly. I think we can revisit it during 11:30, but right now it's price is time to short. We still have a good hour of bearish, down to these 2 lows at the very least, maybe even down to settlement. Let's find some more stuff to go off of. Nothing. You're marrying your bias. Ahmed, bro. No, I'm not. Alright, bang, we tapped it. Let's see if we actually run up higher off of it. Low hanging fruit target. Dang. This isn't an entry. I really don't think anyone's like mentally deficient enough to take this off what I said. So I think I'm gonna chill out and watch it. Definitely a rundown to midnight open though. Kind of missed out on the 931st presented shorts, but that's completely fine. And shorts, if this level hits, yeah, bro. I hope not. Because this isn't a high probability level either. It shouldn't hold. I think we're gonna have a reaction off of it, but I don't think it'll hold. Hope and prayers, definitely. Hopes and prayers. Engineer liquidity prior to 8:30 open. If we had any other alignment with this level, like a inversion or something, I would more than likely want to create an idea to look for shorts. Not take shorts, but create an idea for one. have a rebalance right there. Where are your shorts at? Yeah, Nikux. Where are your shorts at? You're blind. This is the only good level. I mean, we long this, we short this, and then we long this. You want to do it, Sam? 47. We long up to this high. We short down to this low. But this is okay. The chance of this happening is like 5% because it's so unrealistic. This is just a small retracement. Don't think every tiny run up higher is a retracement. Like some people, they tried bang right here, goes up higher. They think it is like what I thought, and it just ended up going lower. That's what's happening right here in my eyes. Don't do anything, Sam. Just chill out. I definitely do want to see what happens when we run in this area though, right here. Midnight open. All these levels here are kind of suspiciously good. Yeah, we can take a break for 13 minutes. I like this though. This is something that I like to see. Standard deviation aligning with the first presented gap. This is definitely going to be a level I'm going to be looking at real quick. No good alignment though. This sucks. Nothing. It's just there, I guess. Nothing good. Seems she has a lot of room for error. Yeah, it is. There's levels I see that are extremely high probability. I take those every day of the week, honestly. And those are levels that I look for pre-market. I wake up like 4 or 5 a.m. And then I look for those levels and I try to hit them during London to catch like London manipulation, hold to New York expansion, or just any type of level good like that. But recently, I mean, shoot, what was the word? Recently, something's been happening. Recently, there's been no good levels, so I'm just using the macro model to catch some wins. That count. That's kind of what I go after. But trades like this, I like these type of trades that I have. They have really good alignment with like everything. But yeah, it's gonna be the strat soon. Potentially. This whole range on the 50 minutes unbalanced, so we could rebalance. Confirm a reversal higher time frame. But likely that's going to happen during 11:30. Alright, we tap midnight open. Don't try to catch a falling knife and try to catch longs. We're going to just wait, react off price now. Do what professional traders do. I think I'm gonna go record the psychological lecture real quick. 1 second. I'll be reading chat until I start recording. If I don't have the bread for the sauce, I'll just bomb talking sticks. I'll teach bot on the top take stuff for free. Not Sam stuff, but I'll teach my stuff for it. I think we're gonna soup that low one more time. You'll absorb it? Alright, sounds good. Use my affiliate codes, and if you're rich off of it in the future, join my mentorship. Otherwise, I'm gonna teach a lot of good stuff for free coming out. Because I wanna go all in on everything until my vacation again, but I might skip the vacation because of how stupid my body's being. Alright, let's go through this. Oh yeah, thank you. What's your email? I can see how much times you used it. Alright, we got it down. Thank you for using it though. It really means a lot. Alright, I'm gonna record the lecture real quick, drop it on YouTube, and we're gonna go from there.
Yeah. Hello? Mantas. Hey. Mantas! You fucking kidding me? Gang. Midnight Open was the only good level, if I'm gonna be for real. Like if I used to, I used to bust it to my meat. I'm like a meat. Trading view. Bro, that Midnight Open trade was fucking clean as shit. Dum 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 dum. Just wanted to check on you. It seems you're not here. Happy to see you, kitten. Mantas. You're recording a psychology video. Okay. Same people who say I scam them are the ones who showed me.
That looks great. Oh, yeah. I can take on free, no problem. Yeah, so I have an
Viking. Hmm. Bruh. Don't tell me that shit, bruh. Just missed my re-entry. No way. No fucking way. Uh, oh my fucking gosh, bro. Can't believe I missed that shit, bruh. Oh my god, dude. Damn, bro. I actually missed that shit. What the fuck? Oh. My lord. You know what? If we, what are we looking into now? Mm-mm. 34, 34, 40. Oh, because I fucking missed my re-entry. Stupid shit. But low-key, I'm gonna enter that hole still. We're putting back to some shit. Might do. Come back down, please. There we go. Wait a minute. Yeah. I'll just wait for 94975. 94975. You fucking kidding me? Bruh. Go for longs first. I mean, longs are the play around a little bit lower. 905. No, wait, what? No, this is not the level. Fucking. Huh? Bruh.
Alright, I just finished the psychological lecture. I'm gonna edit it and do stuff. Yo, what's up, Sam?
That's good, bro.
What's up? Hey, hello, everyone. I'm gonna drop this video real quick on my YouTube. What do you, oh shit, is it macro? Yeah, it is. Alright, let's get active real quick. Okay.
Baby, nice. I'm like at a long from 936.75.
Okay, not bad. Where is it? Oh, found it. Here we go. We got it down. Okay, so that's the file. Longs here. Honestly, 45 manipulation. If we have SMT, I might just push for longs. No SMT below these lows. I won't long yet. 1050 macro open. We're gonna go off in 1050. Non-macro BPR. I mean, longs here would be decent, but not really what I'm looking for. We're in a good area to reverse, but I'm kind of out of it. If I saw SMT at these lows, I would gladly push for it. Let's see if there's higher time from SMT. Oh yeah, most definitely there is. We do have higher time from SMT. So full opening range gap has been filled. Wow. Anyone tell me how I trade with 100 tick stop loss freaking 350? Oh, you gotta trade like almost no size with that. Trade a contract with 100 tick stop loss risk 350. Yeah, 100 points. You gotta risk like 2 in min Q for that. S word was so loud. We have sequential SMT. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. Oh, I do see the sequential SMT. You're right. Are we the type of people to call reversals, or are we the type of people to trade with the trend?
Hmm.
I gotta get all this red stuff. I might just short off of this, honestly.
Starting off of what?
Short off this little inversion right here. Go for a quick base hit, honestly. Trade with the trend, not the second standard deviation. I'm in shorts. I think I might get stopped. I don't really care though. I kind of want to get off for the session. This is my last trade. More than likely, because I've been on for a while. Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm cooked.
Shorts right now? I'm gonna nut in you, bro.
Huh?
What? Who said that?
I thought this inversion was gonna hold. How could this be happening? I can't believe my eyes. They have the second gap right down here that I'd like to see get inverse, but if I take a loss, follow my rules, I'm done for the day. Literally just end stream and disappear. Like the second I take a loss, stream's getting ended, I'm leaving the call. You guys aren't gonna hear from me until I do my recap, so get ready. If I hit a win, I'll stick around, be happy. Otherwise, if I hit a loss, I'm gone.
Yeah, I mean, don't know.
10, 1, 2, 2.5 wrist reward. I don't mind that, honestly. I can deal with that.
Maybe not.
I'm about to quit trading.
Nah, it ain't, bro. Too many losses. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna be down as bad because I had those break evens that gave me some money, but we'll see.
Still fucking annoying.
Still annoying. No, it's good. I like this. I like the civvy being held instead of macro inversion. Just bang that quick low hanging fruit down to quick run. I'm not trying to fight the trend. I'm going after just a quick little win for me. Just because I like to see this stuff sell off, honestly. This could also be macro rebalance. Oh yeah, I'm done for.
I mean, I'm done. In long.
No. It's over. Alright, I'm done trading for the day. You guys take it easy. I'm 18. I've been trading for 3 years. Yeah, I've been trading for 3 years. Let's see how this holds up though.
My TP is at 97775.
133. Oh, not bad.
I got my re-entry, bro, at 9450.
Are you still pushing for longs?
Yeah, I got my re-entry at 945.50.
I'm in
literally no.
You guys
take
it easy. See you guys later. I gotta drop that psychological lecture. I want to be